The area underneath the eye is delicate, and the effects of stress usually first appear here. Sunken eyes can be caused by a host of different factors. But good news! You can nearly always reverse the issue, or at least prevent it from showing up so strongly. There's no need to resort to expensive cosmetic treatment either, as there are many natural ways to get rid of hollow or sunken eyes. First, let's take a quick look at some of the common causes of sunken eyes. 1. Vitamin deficiencies. Deficiencies of vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron can cause eyes to become sunken. In fact, hollow eyes is one of the common symptoms of undernutrition. 2. Sleep issues. Disrupted sleep or a lack of sleep is one of the most common causes of sunken eyes. Establishing a good sleep pattern may help to treat the condition. 3. Aging. Collagen, a protein in the body, gives the skin its strength and flexibility. As we age, we produce less natural collagen. This loss of collagen causes the eyes to settle back into the eye sockets, making them appear sunken. 4. Weight loss. Most people tend to lose weight in their face first. Sometimes the weight loss is dramatic enough to cause blood vessels below the eyes to become prominent and the skin to be transparent, which gives the appearance of sunken eyes. 5. Genetics. It is possible for sunken eyes to be caused by a person's genetics or DNA. 6. Allergies. Allergies can cause the eyes to sink and dark circles to form under them. These effects are caused by inflammation in the tiny blood vessels below the eyes. So hollow or sunken eyes are not usually a sign of a major illness, which is good. But that doesn't mean you should have to put up with them. There are a number of ways you can naturally resolve the issue, including getting enough sleep, making a few lifestyle tweaks, and making sure you're eating a balanced, healthy diet. If these efforts in themselves aren't enough, you can also turn to natural remedies to help get rid of your hollow or sunken eyes faster. Stay tuned for some of our favorite natural treatments, many of which you'll be able to find in your kitchen or bathroom cupboards. 1. Almond oil. The skin under your eyes can easily lose nutrients, so nourishing this area is essential for getting rid of sunken eyes in the long run. Unrefined almond oil, which is made by pressing raw almonds without the use of high heat or chemical agents, is loaded with vitamin E. And gently massaging your under eye area with this oil several times a day can reduce the hollowness and darkness present. With regular application over a couple of weeks, you should find that your eye area will look much smoother and brighter. 2. Green tea bags. Antioxidants and flavonoids in green tea can improve blood circulation on the area the tea bag is applied to. To give this remedy a go yourself, just refrigerate 2 green tea bags. It's fine to save leftover tea bags from your last couple of brews. Then place them onto your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes to relax the eye muscles and soothe the nerves. Repeat this every night before bed or whenever you have time, and you should notice the hollowness below your eyes begin to gradually fade. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has been described as a superfood, and it's gotten a lot of attention for its possible health benefits. The oil, which is pressed and extracted from the fruit of the coconut palm tree, contains high concentrations of small-chain fatty acids that may reduce inflammation and improve circulation. It also has antioxidant and skin-strengthening qualities. This unique combination of properties makes coconut oil a highly effective treatment for hollow or sunken eyes. Just wash your face and clean off any makeup or other beauty products. Then gently massage about a teaspoon of room-temperature coconut oil into the area underneath your eyes. Massage for at least 30 seconds under each eye. Don't wipe the oil away. Leave it to absorb completely into your skin. It's best to do this before bed to allow the oil to absorb into your skin overnight. 4. Cucumber. Cucumber is best known for its cooling effects, which is why it is great at healing hollowness caused by tiredness and fatigue. Cucumber also has an anti-inflammatory effect that helps to reduce puffiness. Its high water content helps to hydrate the skin, and cool temperature decreases the flow of blood to the space around your eyes. Together, these properties can soothe the skin around your eyes and alleviate swelling. Slice fresh cucumber and keep the slices on your eye for a few minutes and wash off with cool water. Repeat this remedy as often as needed. 5. Sandalwood oil or powder. Sandalwood oil or powder comes from the wood and roots of the East Indian sandalwood tree. Sandalwood has been used for hundreds of thousands of years for medicinal purposes, thanks to its natural soothing and calming properties. When applied to the skin, it can treat several skin concerns, including sunken eyes. Either use sandalwood essential oil or use powder to form a paste and apply it directly under your eye area, directly to the hollow spots. Keep it on until it dries naturally, then rinse with cool water and pat dry. If you're using a sandalwood oil, just be careful that it doesn't spill inside your eye. This treatment should soothe tired skin, reduce dark circles, and get rid of the hollowness under your eyes. 6. Potato juice. Another easy yet effective natural remedy for hollow or sunken eyes is to apply potato juice on the under eye area. It sounds a little gross, but potato juice is actually incredibly beneficial to the skin. It's been found to have the ability to improve skin discoloration and pigmentation, which helps it to naturally brighten the skin and make your eyes look more awake. Make the juice by chopping and grating a potato, then placing it into a linen cloth and squeezing out the juice. You can then apply the juice directly and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. If this sounds like too much fuss for you, you can also lie back with a potato slice over each closed eye, which will have similar effects. 7. Vaseline. Most people use Vaseline on their lips, which is, after all, what it was intended for. But just as Vaseline can bring moisture back into your dry, chapped lips, it can also do wonders for hollow or sunken eyes that have been caused in part by dehydration. Vaseline jelly helps bring moisture back to your under eye area, reducing the dark circles that appear and minimizing hollowness. 8. Vitamin K homemade serums and creams. Found in broccoli, Brussels sprouts, green leafy vegetables, and spinach, vitamin K helps with blood coagulation and circulation. Since poor circulation can increase the appearance of dark circles, which can cause eyes to take on a sunken, hollow appearance, consuming enough vitamin K-friendly foods in your diet may lighten the circles under your eyes. Many commercial eye creams also contain vitamin K for this reason, but they can be expensive, and they may contain chemicals and harsh ingredients that your skin reacts badly to. If you'd rather keep things natural, you can purchase your own vitamin K oil and add it to your own homemade creams and serums. You can use things like yogurt, essential oils, beeswax, and shea butter to make your creams, and there are plenty of recipes you can follow online. 9. Olive oil. Due to its high antioxidant content, using olive oil in your diet can prevent oxidative degeneration of skin and protect against damage caused due to aging. Topical applications of olive oil are also helpful in providing relief from stress and help you treat sore eyes. When applied to your dark spots or hollow spots, olive oil can replenish skin cells and pigments with vitamin E and antioxidants. This moisturization and nourishment can reverse the skin damage and help your skin to feel better. Just soak a cotton ball in pure virgin olive oil, then dab it under your lower eyelid and all around the affected area. Leave it on for several hours if you can. Like coconut oil, you can apply this oil before going to bed and keep it on overnight for best results. 10. Cold compress. Poor sleep and mental stress can exhaust your brain, and the side effects often appear on the face in the form of dark circles and sunken eyes. A simple cold compress has a soothing effect on the skin. It can stimulate blood circulation and provide relief from eye stress, helping you treat sunken eyes. To try this remedy out, you'll need one clean cotton towel and a bowl of chilled water. Soak the cloth in the water and wring it out before placing it over your face to cover your eyes and forehead. Keep it on until the cloth starts to become warm. Then repeat back to back several times for an instant skin boost. 11. Fish oil. Fish oil is one of the best sources of skin rejuvenating nutrients and can slow down signs of aging. The omega fatty acids present in fish oil are essential for the healthy pH level throughout the different layers of skin. Fish oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can be an effective remedy for sunken eyes. For this treatment, you'll need to get your hands on some pure fish oil capsules, which you can find in more health stores. Open a capsule and apply the oil directly in affected area. You can mix the oil with equal amounts of olive oil for even more skin benefits if you wish. Use this method twice a day to get rid of hollow or sunken eyes. 12. Getting enough quality sleep. As we mentioned earlier, one of the most common causes of sunken eyes is lack of quality sleep. A sound sleep is one of the most refreshing remedies against tiredness, anxiety, and stress. And you'll notice the difference physically too, as your under eye area will look far healthier and brighter. Sleeping well is all about establishing a bedtime routine you can stick to. So practice winding down an hour before sleep and waking up at the same time every morning. Hollow or sunken eyes are frustrating to deal with, especially if they're so prominent that you feel the need to cover them up on a daily basis. Luckily, the natural treatments mentioned in this video should be all you need to get rid of hollow, sunken eyes for the foreseeable future. Just make sure to combine these treatments with a healthy diet and lifestyle, and see your doctor if you have any reason for concern. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 9 quick home remedies to treat puffy eyes and bags naturally. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.